Why is it so dark in here and why do I look so weird? Because it's really late at night, but I still wanted to make a video for you. This week we have a what I eat in a day, sort of to lose weight video on the Eat to Live Nutritarian diet. It is really late. It's 10:30 at night at my house. And I know you're gonna love these recipes because the first one is my absolute favorite recipe ever, and Coach Nancy has added a little tweak, so I really want you to try that one and then try the other meals because Coach Nancy's recipes are always awesome. I hope you love them. And if you want the recipes, make sure you sign up for the cheat sheets. Let's show you how to make them. Breakfast is Coach Nancy's riff on my chocolate peanut butter smoothie. We start with some spinach, then add cauliflower rice for body, and hey, it's a cruciferous veggie, so why not if you can't really taste it, right? In go some frozen blueberries, a soaked date, some flaxseed, then a frozen banana, some peanut butter and cocoa powder. Last, water and ice to bring it all together to whatever consistency you like. Blend until smooth and you'll have 2 quarts of smoothie, enough for breakfast and then to enjoy with dinner. Now let's get the salad made for our big salad. It's a delicious carrot ginger salad. This will remind you of that ginger dressing served in Asian restaurants, but this one's way better with no oil. Peeled, cut carrots go into the Vitamix first, then orange, some fresh ginger, fresh turmeric, and a little twist of freshly ground black pepper. Now some unseasoned rice vinegar and coconut aminos. We use unhulled and raw sesame seeds to add a bit of creaminess to this vibrant dressing. Now onto the salad creation for lunch. Into our chopping bowl goes shredded cabbage and some arugula. Chop, chop, chop. Now some chopped onion and broccoli florets. For beans, we use these cute little field peas, but you can use whatever ones you have on hand or want to use. Now into the 2-quart Corelle bowl and top this with some broccoli microgreens, that yummy dressing, and serve for a delicious lunch. Dinner is a simple quinoa and veggie skillet. Instead of onions, we're going to use leeks here. We have cleaned these well because sand likes to lurk in between those layers. Next, we have 2 lovely Japanese eggplants. We peel these and cut them into wheels. Oops, our paring knife needs a little bit of sharpening. All right, we're good to go now. The Vidalia onion chopper makes quick work of those stoplight peppers, red, yellow, and green. In go some spices, and lastly, some chopped kale goes in, and we will let this steam for a bit. The recipe calls for mushrooms and tomatoes too, so feel free to add those if you like, but we didn't in this video. Whoops. All right, so we stir in some cooked quinoa and let this heat through. We'll serve it up and add a little squeeze of lime juice. Remember to enjoy the rest of your breakfast smoothie with this meal if you have some, cracks to fill in your tummy. Okay, Moo came over to say hello and ask your opinion of those recipes. I hope they look good and I hope you really love them. As always, if you want to download the recipes, just sign up for the cheat sheets. It's so easy. You go to thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets, sign up there. You'll just get a password and you can always access the recipes every week. Every time we have a cheat sheet, you come to the same place. Just get those cheat sheets. It's so easy. Just sign up there and you can access everything from the past as well, okay? And then of course, keep in mind after you've signed up for the cheat sheets, right now, as of the publish of this video, we're in the middle of a free 5-day challenge. Everyone's participating in it and you can still get it, okay? Even if you don't want to participate in the live challenge, you can still get the free recipes, okay? So sign up for that, thewateringmouth.com/challenge. But next week, I just want you to know the Eat to Live family is opening up again, okay, for registration. It's been several months since we opened. We're opening again and I would love to see you in there. I hope you've heard some of the buzz about this amazing online community I've created. It's a monthly membership, totally affordable, and for what you get, it's kind of insane. You can hear more about that next week. And if you want to sign up for the wait list, either you can sign up for the challenge and we'll let you know about the family, or just go straight to thewateringmouth.com/family and we will tell you all about it when it opens next week, November 8th, and we hope to see you in there. Okay, only open for a limited time, so make sure you get in as soon as you can. We'll love to see you in there. Have a great one. We will see you soon in the next video. Bye!